Hi guys, now today we are going to review another Shopify app that we have in our blog section. We have partnered with this app as well. The name of the app is Free Shipping Bar by Hextom. They are one of the best app developers and they are phenomenal. You can check the other apps as well, but for now we'll be discussing Free Shipping Bar by Hextom. So at the very top we have given this link which you can use for installation once you are satisfied with the app and once you have reviewed this thing with us. So let's move on. What does this app do? What is the core thing that they are claiming that they are doing? So this app essentially puts a free shipping bar at the very top of your store. What that does is it creates a sense of urgency in the mind of the purchaser who would come on your store. It will be like this, that if I complete this up to a particular level of or a particular value of cart amount, then they're going to get free shipping. If you can read from this left hand image, free shipping for all orders over 100. So whenever you're about to purchase, people get this push that if they get to $100 they'll get a free shipping. Now how it does and what it claims to do, these are those 3 points. First, it boosts cart value and sales, and if you think about it, it seems to be working because of 2 reasons. One is the reviews that we have seen, the sheer number of them. There are more than 7,800 something at the time of the review, and most of these reviewers are really happy. You can go and check it first. And secondly, if you even logically think about it, it should increase the cart value for your store. If these people who are coming on your store and are about to purchase something, they see that message while they are on the cart or they are on the main product page, they understand it immediately. So if they purchase it for a particular value, they will get a free shipping, which is significant. So I do agree that the first point that they are saying should be correct, and then second and the third point is basically about operational part. So they allow targeting on the basis of country, pages, device and time period. So if for example you want to show different color band to different countries or traffic from different countries, they're allowed to do that, or maybe from pages on the devices. You get the idea. It's really simple. They allow specific targeting, and they must be having some sort of themes as well, is what they are saying, which allows some sort of which allows a better communication. So the main question is, should you as a store owner be in trying this app? Should you check this out? Because as we even know that there are many other apps available for the same thing, but I would recommend you to personally install this thing and have a feel for the app. I'm pretty sure you'll be happy once you would have installed this thing. It's a really simple app and it does exactly what it says. It should definitely increase your sale volume, in the sense whatever the traffic you were getting earlier, the traffic would be similar, but the cart value amount would rise on an average, that you can see within a month or so. And if you like it, keep it. If you don't like it, you can uninstall it anytime. And I really like their team. I had personally contacted them. They've been very responsive and they will definitely help you out. So from our side, it's Bazinga. It's 5 stars. Check it out. You can comment and read this post. I'll send it. I'll put this link in the description for you to read. And if you finally decide to install this thing, this is the link at the center of the page. If you have any suggestions, if you want to comment, if you want us to specifically review an app, feel free to throw that question or comment. We'll be glad to respond to you.